up there of the middle, if you can't see in the saucepan.
Use low heat only and no need stir, otherwise that is burn easy around the pot. The chili, Thai jalapeno chili. This
Thai
one.
jalapeno.
Take the seed out and chop small one like this.
It just looks scary, but it's not.
And salt. Salt.
Yeah.
Help to grind easy and salty taste. Now release the juice out. You need the color, red color. The sauce we have to make for everyone. You don't need to do, but
We
in
prepare
recipe,
your
yes.
dipping sauce already, and just like you see, the same amount in your recipe is enough for 20 spring roll, the big one. We pound to make color, make it scary. For dipping sauce, we simmering them. No need to stir. While we're waiting, we could do multitask. Low heat, simmering. How long?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Done for dipping sauce. Easy. Multitask now. Move to your spring roll. We do the filling now. Just leave them there. Too easy. Dipping sauce is done. Any question? No? Okay, or buy from the market.
Okay, for the stuffing for make a spring roll. Thai mixed herbs with the white peppercorn, coriander root. You know coriander root?
Coriander, the root part.
Garlic.
If we have no fresh
Coriander root.
coriander root,
You can use the stem.
or powder,
We have. You have at the market.
ที่ coriander powder ที่เราใส่ในนั้นน่ะที่เราใส่ในเครื่องแกงอะ
โอ้ไม่ใช่คนละอย่าง
No different
may possible.
buy ticket